Is the hell and paradise are there?
Brother, is robbing good or bad?
Robbing is bad.
Raping a girl is good or bad?
No, bad.
I suppose happen to be the biggest mafia. I am a scientific person. You give me one good reason why robbing is bad for me, and I will stop robbing.
It hurts others.
What difference does it make to me? I can see movie, I can go to a 5-star hotel. I told you, prove to me why it is bad for me, not for others. You may say, police will catch you.
Correct.
The police is in my pocket. Don't you think there should be justice? Someone should punish him or not?
Law is there.
The law cannot punish every human being here. Hitler incinerated 6 million Jews. Suppose the law catches Hitler. What punishment can you give Hitler so that you can compensate for burnt 6 million Jews alive? Maximum you can do is burn him alive. That will be equal to 1 out of 6 million. What about the remaining 5,999,999 people? What justice is your law going to do? But the Quran says, as to those who reject our signs, we shall cast them in the hellfire. And as often as the skins are roasted, we shall give them fresh skin so that they shall feel the pain.